hapon mga ka-Bombo. On the other line, our international correspondent, a journalist of La Parisienne from Paris, France. Good day, Sir Arnaud Detout. This is Bombo June Saldi of Bombo Radio Cebu. Welcome to our program.
Hello, everybody. I'm happy to hear you and to speak about Olympic Games.
My first question, sir, how's the Paris Olympic Games so far?
Ambience is great in Paris. Everybody is happy, not only in the stadium but in the city. It's very nice. You saw the wonderful ceremony last Friday, and since the start of Olympic Games, it's very good. Everybody has a smile. There are a lot of French people, but also a lot of tourists, and it's beautiful. And also we are lucky because last Friday you saw it was raining a lot. So now we have summer weather. It's sunny every day, so everybody is happy in the city.
Who are the leading team right now?
Actually, it's China. They got 9 gold medals since Friday, and but the big surprise it's France. They are in second position with 8 gold medals. It's a big surprise because generally France finish on the rate of 9 or 10. But France have very an exceptional swimmer. It's Léon Marchand. Yesterday he got 2 gold medals. So actually he got 3 gold medals. It's a great performance. And in the third position it's Japan, also with 8 gold medals. United States are on late actually.
Okay. What about the Philippine team? Do they have the chance to advance on the game?
Yeah, it's not easy for the Filipino team. No medal actually, but it's not finished. But for example, in fencing, Samantha Catenten won the first game against Brazilian Pistoia, but she lost in last 16 against an Italian Erigo. In gymnastics, Carlos Yula didn't get a medal like in judo, Kiyumi Watanabe. She lost in the first round. Actually, there is Carlo Palahan. He won his first fight in boxing against an Irish, and he will play an Australian in quarter-final Saturday. So if he win, he can get a medal. And also next week there will be a few sports Filipino for sportsmen Filipino, like in athleticism or halterophilia.
Based on the game forecast, who would likely to be the champion on the Paris Olympic Games 2024?
We don't know because there is only 5 days, but normally it will be a fight between China and United States since 5-6 Olympic Games. One Olympic Games it's United States, another it's China. So I think a fight between them. United States are on late, but they are very good in athleticism. So yeah, Olympic game it's long. It's 2 weeks, and so you can be first after 5 days, but in 15 days maybe it's not true. So we will see. But yeah, normally it will be China or United States.
What games are the most jam-packed with the audience?
It's great because in France we like a lot of sports like football, basketball, handball, and it's sold out, but it's normal. We are very, very surprised by the attendance in other sports like badminton, for example, or water polo. For example, I cover a badminton game, and the competition is in Arena, Porte de la Chapelle. It's a new stadium. The capacity is 7.5 person, and in the past 3-4 months ago, in a tournament, there were 3,000 or 4,000 people, and now it's sold out, or maybe almost sold out. So it's a big surprise, and you can see the popularity of Olympic Games. You have fan of sports, but also few people are curious and would like to enjoy a good time and to watch a sport for the first time.
Okay. What about the swimming competition? So far, no problem with the Seine River?
So for the swimming competition, it's not a problem because it takes place in a big stadium in Nanterre, Arena La Défense. So it's okay. But there were a problem with the triathlon competition because you have to start in swimming, and then you have cycling, and you finish with running. And yeah, there were a problem during few days with the quality of the water. But yesterday morning it was clean. So 5 hours before start of the competition, the committee called all the players to say to them, it's okay, the competition will start in 5 years. And so the competition took place yesterday, and it was okay, no problem with the river. Mm-hmm. And it was very nice because the player like to start in the river and to finish in Alexander III Bridge.
Okay. What are the sports enthusiasts have to expect on the different games?
So I would like to say all. We are very, very surprised because all sport are interested by French people and also tourists. We are very surprised to see 70,000 people in a stadium for rugby at 7. We like rugby in France, but not 7. Also with cycling next to the Concorde. Yesterday for the triathlon, it was free, and lots of people across the race, and yeah, it's a big surprise for that.
All right, I have no more questions, sir. Arnaud Detout, thank you for your time, and good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon. Bye bye.